Hello guys, this is Hariharan. Now let me go through our project TriageAI. So TriageAI streamlines IT support by using an AI agent to resolve common queries, and also it intelligently escalates what it can't solve and monitor technicians' performance by providing full-time analytics to optimize the entire IT operations. Okay, now let us go through our demo. Get started with the demo. So uh, let me first sign up for our account. Hmm. So after signing up, let me create a new ticket. Uh, from the issue category, I will select the issues, and in the issue description, let us give a small description of the issue, and for image, we can attach an image if we have any image regarding to the issue, or we can just give and submit our issue. After submitting our issue, the issue will be sent to our AI agents, which is being run, which is run in a AWS App Runner. So we are using REST API to we call the API in the AI agent which is present in our AWS App Runner. And also the related data regarding the agents are also stored in AWS database. So in my tickets, we can see all the tickets which we have created. And for getting support for the ticket, we can click the ticket icon. Now, now we can see that the agent has given us some steps to follow to resolve this issue. So we can follow the steps, and mostly these steps will work out, and the issue can be solved. But since uh, but even though if you follow these steps and uh, you are not be able to solve the issue, the agent will automatically assign you a technician, and that technician will help you solve the issue. So since I gave only the forgot my Windows 11 password, it is trying to solve the issue by giving me some instructions. But if there is some other complex issue and the agent must not be solved, it will automatically assign agent. Since for this example, I am giving it as right assign a technician, and you can see it has assigned me a technician, and his name is Levi. Okay, now let me sign in through the technician profile. I have already created an account, so I'm signing in directly. Okay. So you can see after that agent assigned the agent has automatically assigned it to the technician, and in the technician dashboard we can see the ticket has been assigned. Now we can click that and see. And in this we can see that that the chat done by both the user and and the agent is being also appeared here, so that the technician can verify or use that as reference uh, to to solve the issue. Okay. Now as a technician, I will try to solve this issue, but by messaging here. If I do the message, so now the technician is message, and also while the technician connects through logins through a portal, that the time at which he logs in, and also the time which he is working is also be noted, and also we will note the how many tickets we have successfully completed, and also how many tickets are yet to be reopened. All this information will be noted by the platform, and it will be helpful for us to note down to efficiently maintain the technician's productivity. And now in the user portal, you can see that the technician message has come that it is being stated that how he can help. And now let's say a problem has been solved. So and the technician can close the ticket since the problem has been solved. So for example, I'm saying the problem is solved. So if you close the ticket means it means the ticket has been successfully, I mean the issue has been successfully rectified and the ticket is being closed. Okay, as you can see now the ticket has been closed and the chat option is also disabled. And in the user platform also the status will be changed from assigned to closed. You can reload and see my tickets and see, and the ticket you can see the status has been changed from assigned to closed. Okay, and in future we are planning on giving the images and also voice messages so that any type of messages can be interrupted and tell by the agent. As you can see, most of the issues can be easily rectified by using agents itself. And I'll give a simple chat asking whether my ticket is closed. Yeah. So the agent is confirming that my ticket is closed. And that's all about our project demo. Thank you.